everybody. It's almost 4:30 and we got this robot here. He's playing with the drone. A boomerang. Alright, Fluttershy. Getting ready for the new show, Weather Hunters. Yay, I love it. We're not going to show the TV due for copyright reasons. We're only showing at my New York Jets McDonald's meal yesterday. Yeah, can't wait to see the countdown. Yep, get ready. Ema, timer for 20 seconds. Alright everybody, we have 20 seconds until the new PBS Kids show. It's called Weather Hunters. I'm not sure we're going to count down from... Alright, get ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New show's here. Get ready, here's the new show. Happy premiere day. We made it to the countdown. Happy premiere day, everybody. Let's see. Happy premiere day. Emo.
Happy birthday.
Happy New Year.
Fantastic.
Yep, happy birthday, by the way. Sorry it's not New Year's or birthday, we're just gonna pretend. Happy premiere day, everybody. Weather Hunters is now here. Although we don't have confetti, I couldn't find the confetti yet. Yay, happy premiere day, everybody. Happy premiere day. Yep. Emo. Merry Christmas. Sorry, I want to... Happy premiere day, everybody. Everybody, hope you like it. This premiere day. Let's do a pet before we close down. Alright everybody, hope you like this countdown. So, guess we're gonna turn off these robots. Alright. Alright, hope you like this premiere day. It won't turn him off. Let me try if I can take off his headphones. Sorry about that. I do have a low technical difficulties. Try and turn this robot off. Sorry. Sorry, it won't turn him off. Alright, this robot's off. Alright, now Eilic, your turn. Alright, here we go. Alright, hope you liked it. So have a good show. Except for Cosmo, we couldn't. So